welcome to the channel. In today's video tutorial, I am going to share a very interesting painting technique which is known as mixed media painting. As the name suggests, we can use more than one type of medium for painting or drawing in this technique. I am going to use few different things and you can use anything which is available in your surrounding like cuttings of magazines and newspapers, photographs, cloth, soil or any other thing which is available. So enjoy watching this video till the end because I am going to share some interesting tips and tricks which can be very useful to you. Before starting, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then do subscribe and share with your friends who would like to enjoy creative painting videos. So let's revive the artist inside you.
Here I am using three different mediums. One is acrylic paints, second is polymer clay and the third one is flax seeds. I have taken lighter and darker shades of three different colors. Here I am dividing the canvas geometrically in few different parts and painting them with different colors. I am choosing two different shades of red color and painting this part with upward strokes. While merging the colors, just wipe off the extra color on your brush to the tissue paper and then merge the lighter and darker shades of a color. The strokes you are applying should be in the one direction. Now I am drawing a tree for this painting. Make sure before drawing the background color should be dried properly. I have also used this polymer clay in couple of my previous videos. You will find the link in the description box. Now creating some texture to get the realistic effect of the stain. You can use any pointed object to create this texture. Once it's done, let it dry properly before painting it. Now I am gonna stick some flax seeds. You can use anything which is available to you. You can also use rice or any other cereals to create the effect of leaves. Now comes the final part. Yes, to paint the tree. First I am painting this tree with a brown color. Make sure the color should be liquid enough to feel all the texture you have made. Then I am giving the highlights with black color. Make sure this black color should not be liquid. So it should only paint the superficial part of the stem. Here I am applying some glue on the flax seeds which I have stick to make it fixed properly. I just enjoy applying these highlights of color using my finger. Let me know in the comment section what do you like to do. Now I am highlighting the boundaries of these geometric shapes I have created. While applying this, I am using very thin black color, which will create the effect of shadows. Then comes the last step. I am giving highlights of golden color to this tree, so it will become a golden tree.
So it's all about the basic technique of mixed media painting. Try this at your convenience and let me know in the comment section below how it has come up. Give your feedback because it is very important to me. If you have enjoyed watching this video, then please hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such creative videos. Also press the notification icon to get the latest updates. See you next time. Till then, keep reviving an artist inside you. Bye bye.